Welcome to the Cuarto Journal. We're back for another exciting video, and today we'll show you how to make this delicious Tantanmen Ramen. But first, we'll walk you through the Japanese supermarket we visited called Dean's Fujiya Supermarket. Since we want to make this recipe as close to authentic as possible, we decided to buy the ingredients from an authentic supermarket. They sell a whole lot of products, including Japanese tableware and kitchenware, to restaurant-grade kitchen equipment and tools. They also sell instant noodles and soups, frozen food, and Japanese desserts like ice cream and mochi. And of course, what Japan is famous for, matcha. But we are here for the ingredients to create the perfect ramen. So for noodles, we'll get these chewy yakisoba noodles. Also this dashi no moto for that umami-rich dashi bonito flavor. Then the mirin sauce and the Yuzu Ponz Soy Sauce. And lastly, the seasoned soybean paste for that nutty and rich flavor. Now let's head back home and create our stunning Tantanmen Ramen. The first step is to prepare our soft-boiled eggs, so boil water in a pot and add a splash of vinegar. Make sure to use eggs directly from the fridge and slowly add the eggs using a slotted spoon. Now you can cook the eggs for exactly 6 minutes. Once it is done, remove the eggs and put it in a bowl with ice bath to stop the cooking. When the eggs are cooled down, peel it and place it in a Ziploc plastic and add in soy sauce and mirin and set aside. The second step is to create the Tantanmen meat toppings. So first, stir-fry the minced meat and make sure to break down the meat into small pieces and avoid making big lumps. Also prepare minced garlic, ginger, and scallions and add it to the minced meat. Then add fermented soybean paste. You can just start with 1 tablespoon each and adjust depending on your taste preference. And then add Japanese soy sauce or any type of soy sauce. And this is optional, but you can also add the Yuzu Ponz Soy Sauce. Then add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar just to balance out the flavors. Also add mirin or sake, whichever is available. Then also add chili oil, vinegar, And lastly, oyster sauce. Once it is fully cooked, you can set it aside. For the third step, let us prepare the tantanmen soup base. So on low heat, pour soy milk, Japanese soup base powder, or if you don't have any, you can use pork or chicken bouillon, and also dashi powder. Just constantly stir it until the powder or bouillon are completely dissolved. For the fourth step, let's make the tantanmen tare. So in a bowl, add roasted sesame paste, but if you don't have any, you can use creamy peanut butter like we did. Then add Japanese soy sauce, then the Yuzu Ponz Soy Sauce, vinegar, mirin sauce, and lastly, fermented soybean paste. Just mix all of the ingredients until it becomes smooth, then set it aside. For the fifth step, let's prep the noodles and other toppings. You can use either egg noodles, udon, or in our case, yakisoba. You can also add dried shiitake mushrooms or wood ear mushrooms in hot water until smooth, and then slice into strips. For the green vegetables, you can use bok choy or native pechay. Then, in a saucepan, boil water and blanch the mushrooms and bok choy, and then set aside. This is optional, but you can also add dried seaweed as your toppings. And then just blanch the noodles per serving. Now for the last step, we can finally assemble. So in a bowl, add a spoonful of the tare sauce, then pour the hot soup base, mix it together, and then add the hot noodles. And then on top, you can arrange the meat, bok choy, mushrooms, sliced scallions, dried seaweed, and your perfectly soft boiled eggs. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and you're good to go. And this concludes our 26th episode. We hope you enjoyed learning this super easy and delicious Tantanmen Ramen recipe. Please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing down below. We will post more fun videos about our family, lifestyle, food, and travel. See you on the next episode. Bye!